Hello everyone, I'm Yuhan. Welcome to Pop Up Ping Pong. Today we are going to learn how to play forehand push. Forehand push is basically technique in table tennis. Everybody needs to learn. I'll introduce the technique. You have to keep your bad angle 45 degrees and one right leg slightly upward. Back swing your up arm. Contact the ball, follow through, put more speed. Forehand push is backspin, so it always can control the ball, lower or spin or put different placement. Don't let the opponent attack you. Okay, we're gonna demonstrate.